Hey guys, Jonathan here. Been here doing some flooring, and my air compressor quit working. And at first I thought it was the outlet, then I thought it was the breaker, and then I was like, my air compressor just went bad. Well, I started looking around and going through this thing, and I found out there's an inline fuse on this. And after doing a little research, apparently almost all little air compressors, these little pony tanks, have inline fuses. Never even occurred to me. So this one was pretty easy to find and locate. It's just right on top here, and it takes one of those little glass gimmicks, like the little ones, like the little glass ones. Here it is, right here. I was able to tell because it was a little burnt. It was really hard to tell that the actual filament inside was broke, but I was able to tell because the fuse is burnt. So I went on Amazon. I think I ordered like a 200 pack of these for like $4 or something. Post a link of where I got it from. But yeah, that's all that's wrong with the air compressor. You put that in, air compressor runs like a scolded dog again. But there wasn't a lot of information about this online, so I just made a video to try and help the next guy. But that's the tip. Hope it helps. Please like and subscribe.